Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars. Into the night, I see nothing but stars falling. Into the night, I see nothing but stars.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today I am going to be doing like a Coachella festival inspired makeup tutorial where y'all come for me. I didn't follow anyone's tutorial. I kind of just thought of glitter and sparkly stuff. I think you're supposed to. Okay, so yeah, I kind of just went with what I thought would be cute. I think it's acceptable. It's definitely acceptable. It is Coachella season, so I was like, you know, let me do a little tutorial or whatever. Half of the things that I got you can find at like either Walmart or your local beauty supply. So go ahead and go. Honestly, when I think of festival, I think of just glitter and like stuff like this. So that is what I did. This isn't a full makeup tutorial. I just start with my makeup already done, but I added all the eyeshadow and this. It's not the best, like I'm not up there with the poppin' YouTube gurus, but it's definitely I get a festival vibe from it. You know, the pink lips and then all the glitter and the diamonds. So yeah, I don't know. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up when you're done. And yeah, I'm gonna try to be helpful in the voiceover, so hopefully you guys understand half of the stuff I'm saying. I'm not a makeup artist, so I kind of just did this out of boredom, but I do know that Coachella is kind of, you know, the thing right now. So this is the look that I came up with. I think it's really adorable. Some details on my ponytail, they are all on my Instagram, so if you guys like it, you know, I will let you guys know what hair this is and stuff, all on my Instagram. Let me know what you guys are thinking. You could be thinking I'm like a clown, you know, that's cool, whatever. Please be nice in the comments. I tried. I'm not the best, but I think I'm serving Coachella festival vibes. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm starting off with my makeup already done. I made this tutorial 10 times faster, plus I already had it done, but I did list majority of the products that I'm using in the description, and also I tried to put them on the side. But you know, just priming my lids, of course. So you guys probably noticed this from my first makeup tutorial. Clearly I love this palette a lot. It is the Carly Bybel Deluxe palette. Every time I go to like Ulta to get it, bruh, it's never there. So I'm gonna need for everybody to stop buying them, okay? But yeah, most of the eyeshadow that I used is from this palette, and also there is a beauty store eyeshadow palette I used. I will leave that in the description because I don't know exactly what it is as of now. But yeah, I'm kind of trying to give like a shimmery cut crease with like purple, and I kind of just freely did my own thing. So I was just hoping for the best this whole time, and honestly I don't think it came out that bad. Okay guys, so that beauty store palette, I am only using one shade out of it, and there's this like super duper pink pretty shade that I was using for this, and I also used it for my lip, you know, the lip color I had. So I'm just taking a brush and wiping away any eyeshadow that fell. And I'm ugly. But I did do my bottom lashes, you guys. I thought that I was recording it, but I cannot find the video. So clearly I did not record it. But usually what I do when I put on my bottom lashes is I just take hair glue and place them like super below my like waterline so it doesn't get in my eye. But if you guys want me to do a bottom lash tutorial, please let me know in the comments, because a lot of people don't really know how to do them, and you know, I know an easy way. So honestly, y'all, I feel like my makeup would have looked better if I knew how to do wing liner. But I mean, it's not a big deal. But I'm just taking some diamonds that I found in the crafts section at Walmart. They were like literally 97 cents. And I'm putting them around my eyebrow, because literally when I went on Pinterest and searched festival makeup, everybody had these like this. And I think it's super duper cute. So I went ahead and did that. And here's the complicated part. You don't have to do this. I don't recommend doing this unless you just, I don't know, it was a lot of glitter when I had to wash it off, but hey. So I'm taking this NYX glitter. It is in the number 08. It's so pretty. But I'm taking that glitter glue. I got that glitter glue in like some glitter from the beauty supply, and it sucks ass. So I would recommend going and buying some actual glitter glue. But I just wanted to do like a shiny type of feel. I couldn't buy any of the eye jewelry, like the big already made jewelry that goes, you know, you place it on certain parts of your face. So I had to improvise. Honestly, I didn't really feel the glitter at first, but I think it looks so adorable. Considering the fact that it's Coachella, you don't want to be looking basic, okay? You might see your future husband there. So this next part is pretty self-explanatory. I am just putting some of that same glitter into the corner of my eyes. I thought that would be really pretty. But you guys are gonna notice that I did like put it down too far, so I ended up wiping some of it away because it looked like I had like cried or something. I don't know, but you'll see when I get closer. At this point, I didn't really know what else to do, so I just put some more diamonds on the side. And then from this point on, that's kind of really all that I did. Lastly, I did try to add some glitter glue, which looked extremely pretty, but I had tried to add some like pink highlighter from that Carly Bibo palette on my collarbone and stuff, and it looked terrible. So I ended up wiping that and the glitter glue off, and I ended up just putting some highlight. And after that, what else? I did do my lips. I used that same eyeshadow I put underneath my like underneath my eye. So after I did that, I just put some lip gloss on top, and then I just added some of my normal highlighter from the Carly Bibo palette, and that is all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I hope I helped someone going to some kind of festival. This is super easy and inexpensive. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.